Before we begin, please press the like button and the subscribe button. Okay, let's dive in. We're going to talk about something that drives almost every modern business a little bit crazy. Communication chaos. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That mess of apps, numbers, and devices that's supposed to make life easier, but just, well, doesn't. Today, we're looking at how AI is stepping in to untangle this whole knot. Does this feel a little too familiar? You're jumping from your desk phone to your personal cell. Then you got to open one app for team chat and a totally different one for a video call. Your voicemails are in one place, your call history is somewhere else. It's this constant juggle, and honestly, it can make you look disorganized and, even worse, lead to totally missed opportunities. So this communication mess, it's more than just a little annoying, right? It's a real drag on your productivity. Let's really get into the nitty-gritty, the specific pain points that come with a clunky, old-school phone setup. I mean, these are so relatable it hurts. You give out your personal number, and poof, there goes any line between your work life and your private life. You hit a dead zone with no cell service? That could be a client you just lost. And that sinking feeling when you see your phone battery hit zero? We've all been there. Suddenly, you're completely cut off. But here's the thing, it really doesn't have to be this way.
Okay, so how do we fix this mess? The answer is actually pretty simple. Consolidation. It's about bringing all those scattered tools into one single smart system. And this is where solutions like the TeQ I.Q phone come into play, built around an idea that's a total game changer.
Let's just demystify this big acronym for a second. UCAAS. It stands for Unified Communications as a Service. And really, that's just a fancy way of saying all your communication tools finally live in one place. No more separate apps for calls, texts, and video meetings. It's all integrated, all tied to a single number, and you can access it from any device. You know, this quote just nails it. This kind of advanced tech isn't just for the giant corporations anymore. It's for any ambitious business that thinks big, no matter its size. Think about it. Your phone system is often a client's very first impression of you. It should scream professional, modern, and put together.
All right, now we get to the really cool part. Artificial intelligence. Because we're not just talking about making calls anymore. We're talking about making your calls work for you, turning every conversation into a powerful business asset.
And here's where the magic happens. And it's so simple, it's brilliant. A call comes in or goes out, the AI is just working quietly in the background, transcribing the whole thing. But then, and this is the best part, it analyzes that call and spits out a perfect short summary. Just imagine being able to review the key takeaways from every single sales or support call without having to listen to the entire recording. That is a massive boost for training and just being more efficient.
We've all been there, right? Trying to scribble down a phone number from a voicemail while you're driving or in the middle of something? Well, this feature makes that a thing of the past. A voicemail comes in, and bam, a full transcription just appears in your email or as a text message. You can read it, you can search it, you can save it, all without ever having to press play. It's such a simple change, but it saves an incredible amount of time.
Now, let's talk about what true flexibility looks like. The whole point is to finally untie your business number from one single piece of hardware. Your number should follow you, not the other way around. I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way is chaos. It's a jumble of different devices and apps. The TeQ I.Q way, it's clean, it's simple. One number for everything. One single screen where you can see your entire history with the client. Calls, texts, video meetings, all of it. This isn't just about convenience, it's about presenting a totally unified professional front to the world. Okay, so just picture this for a second. A client calls your main business number. You pick it up on your desk phone just like you always would. But then you realize, hey, you need to run out the door. Instead of that awkward, let me call you right back routine, you just tap a single button and the live call instantly transfers completely seamlessly to the app on your cell phone. And then you get to where you're going, you open your laptop, and with another click, you move that same live call over to your computer so you can share your screen. That's the freedom we're talking about. The call just follows you effortlessly across any device you own.
Of course, with all this important communication happening in the cloud, there's one huge question that comes up. Is it actually secure? For any business, especially if you handle sensitive information, this is absolutely non-negotiable.
So the level of protection here is key. This isn't just your standard everyday security. We are talking about military-grade encryption. That means every call, every message, every file you send is scrambled with the same level of security that governments use to protect top-secret information. It's all about making sure your business conversations stay private, period. And that security rests on a foundation of pure reliability. We're talking HIPAA compliance, which is a must-have for anyone in healthcare. It's ISO certified, meaning tough global standards. And the infrastructure is carrier-grade. That just means it's built to be as rock-solid as the major phone carriers, with people watching it 24/7 to stop problems before they can even start.
And what does all that infrastructure get you? It gets you this number, 99.999% uptime. You'll often hear that called 5 nines reliability. To put it simply, it means the service is designed to basically never go down. It's about giving you the peace of mind that your business is always open.
So, when you pull all of this together, the AI assistant, the freedom to switch devices on the fly, the ironclad security, it really forces you to rethink what a business phone system should even be in the first place. Because this is about so much more than just making calls. It's about projecting a modern, cutting-edge image. It's about having the real freedom to work from literally anywhere. It's about using AI to get smarter about your own business. And at the end of the day, it's about that peace of mind you get from a system that's both secure and ultra-reliable. So we'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Your phone system says a lot about your business. In a world that's changing so fast, is your system actually keeping up, or is it holding you back? Does it tell your clients that you're innovative and ready for whatever's next? It's definitely something to consider.